take a look at this 2010 Dodge Ram 1500. Carfax has certified this Ram 1500 as having one owner. This Ram 1500 has just under 26,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Ram 1500 boasts a 4.7-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, satellite radio, tinted windows, passenger airbag and heated mirrors. Call 877-958-3232 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.